We got Bone Thugs and Harvey playing in the back. Welcome to Texas, baby!
Drinking on
Yeah,
the
that's
rock.
no eat.
That's no
That's
east
no
side.
eat.
I'm a north sider.
Oh,
I'm a
this
north
is
sider.
like Evanston.
Before that, my ex-wife's from Winnetka.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Her
yeah,
home alone house was behind her house.
you got money.
Her dad owns one of the biggest grain companies in the world. I didn't know that until
You got
after I
money.
married her.
Hold on.
So,
Hey, welcome to a boring story. I'm with my guys here
what's going
at
on?
210 Hall. If you haven't been here, New Bronxville, lifted trucks. This is what we do. Got a Denali HD,
2,000 miles on it.
2,000 miles on it. Catch a spark. We're gonna catch some sparks. We got Bone Thugs and Harvey playing in the back. Busy Bone. Look, man, they gonna do my Titan. I just got the 2020 Titan. You guys may have seen it in a little sneak preview, but I'm gonna throw it all together, chop it up. I guess they're gonna whatever. This is a cell phone video, guys. I just want this. I couldn't miss this. You know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do right now? They're gonna do everything to the Titan. They're gonna lift it. Right now we're gonna do some little amp steps. I'm not gonna do too crazy with it because this is the wife still drives this truck. But what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna give me a dually, a 250. So if you got an F250, I did square body. I'm talking like 90s model or 89 model. I'm gonna bring it up here. We're gonna do a 10-inch lift on it. McGoy's lift kit on it.
When did one off? When did custom? One custom?
Oh,
Custom all the way around.
Hey, custom all the way around then. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? So look at that. Custom forged wheels. That's how we're gonna do it here. But we're gonna get the truck real nice steel just to tighten because it looks so basic right now, you know what I'm saying? And again, first truck. I'm so excited to have a truck. And hey, customer service. Let's talk about customer service. I know y'all hear that in the background, they working. But customer service, man, I went to five different shops, man, trying to figure out, like, I'm new to this lift game and I didn't want anything crazy. These guys helped me no matter what. They broke it down, gave me the invoices, everything. I got it in my email. You'll see. And and the labor's a good price too. So that matters. Labor's a good price. Look, man, short video. I didn't care. I just wanted to show you guys the level of service they're giving. We're gonna show you around the truck. They doing some powder coating. And it's an amazing shop here, man. Come holler at us. Hey, Texas boys.
Salud, salud.
Yeah.
They did it. And this is how much I like Elvis because of this.
I'm in the Alpha National Club and the National like.
I went across the bridge with a 2x4 going all the way across. I couldn't avoid it. I hit it.
Oh!
I still drove another 95 miles like that.
Damn! That's a TI Sport wheel.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. It was mod. It had an upgraded turbo, exhaust, blow up valve on it. It was a bad on the shirt metal.
Man, was it the white one out here that
White
had a
one,
wrap
yep.
on
It
the
had a
front
wrap on
of
it.
it?
Yep,
Yeah. I have the Stelvio quad now and the Julia TI, and I saw that and I was like, huh, damn.
It went.
It sure did.
Yeah, I mean, it held. The run flat didn't die on it or anything. No damage to the body, no damage to anything else, just that rim right
Man, I
there.
love my fucking Alpha. I'm an
I
alcoholic.
love them now.
I got
love them.
My quad, we're taking it to Dakota. And I don't know how to do it, but I'm gonna get sideways on it. I'm gonna get fucking sideways on it.
But
So,
I'm a firm believer in them. I mean,
Well, my
the
dad-
quality of the rim alone.
my dad, man, I got this thing about like loyalty and history. And my dad was an old military guy. He left me 2 cars. He left me an Alpha. He left me a Nissan. And so I had like 1,300 GXs. And I had the Alpha.
So how old are you?
I'm 33.
33, okay.
Shit, I almost said
Okay.
20. I ain't 20 no more.
Our last 300 was a 93 turbo.
Mine was a 90.
But that was a 97.
I had a 94, and then I had a 89, 94, 95. The 95, I sent the Z1, got it done, and then it got totaled out by 18-wheeler as soon as it came back. Damn. 2 top down, it clipped me. I was in this right lane, and it didn't see me, got over, and turned me to the front of it, and it really drugged me down the highway to my back top. So, that was a little reverse order. But hey, let's just keep it 1,000 right now. This is, guys, the new 2020 Nissan Titan XD. Why did I get a Titan? Well, shit, everybody else got everything else, so I wanted to be different. Plus, it's foreign. Hey, V8 Platinum Edition, super cool truck. Also, I feel like it's a super underrated truck, by the way. Like, super underrated. People always, I'm not gonna get into which brand manufacturer is the best. It's a personal choice. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. But as you saw, this is gonna be doing my truck, 210 horse. Amazing company here, and I can't wait to show you guys the rest of the build. It's not gonna be something too crazy, but hey guys, stay tuned. Again, thank you guys for following all the madness and the camera moves. This was an impromptu. I know y'all said that a lot. It is an impromptu. I live my life on an impromptu basis. Yeah, look, thank you guys. Hey, we're here, 200 and I believe 62 subscribers. Foreign story. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Maybe you can find some rims from me. I haven't really found those out. I know they're gonna be forged rims as well. Welcome to the lifted community. Your boy is in Texas. I'm about to give you some good cowboy moves next. Holla at you. Foreign story. Welcome to Texas, baby. Woohoo!
So there's like, it's kind of like dirty right now.
Nah, you right, dude.
It looks clean.
That shit still look clean. Yeah, look, that bitch look good.
Oh, hell yeah.
That bitch don't look like it's dirty at all, bro. That shit clean. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. It's crazy how you can know a motherfucker before you know a motherfucker.